Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Remember to subscribe. I love you. Let's do this question. Describe fully the symmetry below, given that OA and OB are two identical arms of the windmill, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is 90 degrees. So now they are saying we should describe fully this. So the idea is once I start rotating A, it should come and fit in this image of B, because B also will be rotating. You agree with me that once this moves clockwise, it will come like this. It will come here. So the question is, has it fitted in B? The answer is no. So it will continue going. Even if I rotate it here, it will continue coming. It will come like this. These are the images. And eventually it will come like this. And eventually to fit there. So you agree with me that for it has rotated 360 degrees. So number one, you say it is, how do we answer this one? I've told you. It is a rotational symmetry. It is a rotational symmetry. Center, you have to acknowledge the center. Center or about, for it to fit where it came from, to fit exactly, you have seen that it rotated 360 degrees for it to come back. So this one now, you have to indicate the order. How do we get the order? You divide 360, divide by 360. So you agree with me that the order is 1. The order is what? 1. So that's how it is. So this is how it is. So we are saying for it to fit where it, when if you can rotate it like this, even if you rotate it like this, it will come back to this. And this one is questionable because it hasn't fitted in the image of B. So equally with the B, it will look like this if it means B. So this is my A. So even if I rotate A, but unless I go 360 degrees, it will fit exactly. So we are going to look at two scenarios, ladies and gentlemen. This one, it is when the flag or the arm is this way. Now we are going to look at another one. So in the meantime, I'll ask my cameraman to give me the marker there, the red marker, so that I indicate to my fellow viewers. So ladies and gentlemen, now again, there are some, it came like this. You can see now it is facing the other side. So this is what we'll be looking at in the next scenario. So I hope you have enjoyed the other one. So now we are going to look at when it is facing this side. So for the sake of learning, I'll rub this, I'll remove this one. I'll remove this one so that we see what will happen now. Now when it is like this, you have to be very careful. When it is like this, you have to be very careful. Because if this A rotates, let me say I rotate it going this side, it automatically, it will just move 90 and it will fit exactly. Meaning that when I rotate it in this direction, it will come and fit exactly, it will come here. So that's the thing. So the idea is when you rotate it, it will fit like this. Now when you rotate it in this way, in this anti-clockwise manner, it will come here. You can see it will come there. Again, it will come there. Eventually, it will come there. So the idea is how many times has it rotated for it? The idea is because when you rotate it in this direction, it will move 1. So meaning that for me to answer this question, if you have to say, you have now to indicate rotation symmetry. How is it going to say? You are going to say, okay, you have to indicate it like this. So I'm going to two ways, two scenarios. You say it is a rotational, symmetry. It is a rotational symmetry. Center, you have to indicate the center, 0, but you have now to indicate the direction. For example, clockwise, 90 degrees, clockwise 90 degrees, meaning to fit exactly. Order. Now, if you look at the order, because 90, you have to divide 360 divided by 90. You agree with me that the order now, it becomes what? It becomes, you agree with me that order, it is what? It is 4. Because 90 there, therefore, so the order is 4. It means you have described that one. So you have to say it is a rotational symmetry, center, clockwise 90 degrees, order 4. So this is how we can answer in this question when it is like this. When it is like this, it rotates like that. That's the way it's supposed to be. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed. Otherwise, God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Please, you can say don't get scared of such questions. When you see these flags, don't say what is happening. Please, there are also other questions which we look, due to time, would have discussed that question, whereby instead of a flag, they brought something which looks like this. So allow me to do this just for the sake of learning. They brought something which looked like this, whereby they told me that Angel, now maybe some of you who have gone through papers, they brought something which looked like this, and again the same thing, mind you, it looked like this, and then again the same thing, it looked like this, again when it reached here, again it looked like that. When it came here, it looked like that. So please, ladies and gentlemen, these are some of the things which we don't get scared. We're just talking about the same thing. So if you can see, because for the sake of here, there was a C, here there was a D. So you can see that it just rotated from there to there, 90, from there to there, from there to there. So you can see that 90, it fitted exactly, and this will fit here, and this will fit there, this one will fit there. So by so doing, it means every 90 rotation, so in this case, every 90, it will fit. That's what it means. So it is a rotational symmetry, of course, clockwise 90, so 90 degrees, so 90 degrees clockwise, order 4, because they are 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning that it rotated. For it to enter into exact where it came from, it had to move 4 times. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this evening's lesson. God bless you. God bless us also. Support your channel. This is a good channel. Please, you people are not telling your friends that this channel will open a long time. Some people, they are unaware. Please share the link. Ask them. Tell them that please try to check for Mr. Saube, Mr. Warrior Angel. Please come on, come on. I love you. God bless you.